Buckle up. Guys, today, we're diving headfirst into not one but two courtroom showdowns where both defendants seriously underestimate the no-nonsense judges they're up against. Right out off gate, the host lays the groundwork, teasing chaotic hearings ahead while dropping a chilling, real-life data breach warning. That tension. It's not just from court drama, it's real world, too. This intro sets the stage for a perfect storm of arrogance meeting authority.
Today versus Christopher Cooper, 18 CR 280.
Present, Your Honor.
Okay, you're appearing via Zoom. Were you going to hire an attorney or apply for court appointed?
Your Honor, last week I acknowledged that I would like a court appointed, and I verbalized my email in order to receive some document, neither of which actually transpired. On those grounds and the nature of the case, I would like to move for dismissal of any action or claim against me based on Kansas statute 60-241.
Hang on. What, on the grounds you didn't get an email?
Failure to prosecute, Kansas statute 60-241.
Right, hang on.
I emailed him twice. We watched the video to get the email address. It kept bouncing back. So
Yeah.
I sent him one in the mail, like USPS.
Yeah, so we sent it to the one you gave us. We even watched the video because this is recorded, by the way. And I got it exactly right for sure, and it kept bouncing back. So the email's no good.
That's inaccurate. It's a business email.
It's the email you gave us, whatever, you may have said it wrong. Because we
Could
have,
this stenographer, right?
it's recorded. Do you understand?
Right. I do understand. That's exactly what I'm saying. It's recorded.
Good.
Did you write the word dot instead of putting the period? I mean, what are we saying here?
I didn't send it myself. My assistant sent it. She's very well versed in this. So it's been sent in the mail to your address that you say you are at. So you haven't got it yet either?
No, sir. I would like the court-appointed attorney, please.
You have to fill out the application and turn it in.
All right.
So you don't have it in the mail either?
Not yet, sir.
Okay. Well, I don't know what to tell you. You'll need to come in and fill it out then.
Your state is the one preventing me from getting a license to be able to do that.
All right, guys, here comes our first contestant in the courtroom circus, Christopher Cooper. He tries to pull a fast one using Kansas statute 60-241 like it's a magic shield against reality. The judge stays cool, even after Cooper claims an email glitch is grounds for dismissal. You can almost hear the eye roll. It's a textbook sovereign. Citizen move talk in circles, cite the wrong law, then act like the system owes you.
I don't live there.
You need to figure out how to either
Walk.
give us the right address so we can send it to you.
Apartment 110,
We sent
Ponca
that.
City, Oklahoma, 74601. Is that what your court clerk has?
That's what she sent it to, sir.
All right. Well, I'll be watching the mail. And if we're going to set this over again, I can't appear at 9 a.m. anymore.
Well, you'll just need to turn yourself in. Actually, this isn't working out. You're
Right. If 60-241 doesn't work, let's go with 60-219.
You have to file a motion, sir, and you have to appear.
It's a judicial motion. I'm moving that you file the judicial motion, sir.
Those are also civil statutes, not criminal statutes.
Well, the Supreme Court suggests otherwise, that it can be, let's see here.
We'll
The
go
judge
ahead and
may only
extend
ju-
our warrant limits, Judge. We can call this one done this morning.
There we go.
All right. That sounds like a great idea. You're going to have to be here in person. We cannot deal with you remotely. You're not cooperating. All right. This hearing is concluded.
He fails to appear, but it's our fault that he's having criminal legal repercussions of it.
Now things heat up. Cooper doubles down, blaming the state for his suspended license. But the judge isn't buying a single excuse and fires back with sharp reality. Maybe the issue isn't the system, it's you. The moment is blunt, raw, and absolutely satisfying. When the judge says you're not cooperating, it's game over. A warrant is issued, and Cooper's virtual antics just earned him a real-world consequence.
All right, so Mr. Polk, we've got 3 sets of tickets, so we're gonna go through this one by one. All right, so we're gonna start with your newest case, your 2024 case, and it's for no driver's license. How do you plead to those charges?
No contest.
Okay, how did you get here today?
I drove.
Okay, so why do you have a license?
They're suspended.
Okay, so what in your right mind gives you the right to get into a vehicle? When you know you can't.
I had to get to work.
I don't care what you had to do.
I understand.
There's a Via bus. There's Uber. I don't care if the world's ending. You don't have a right to drive. I do not know and understand what nobody gets about that. They just think they can do whatever they want because I have to go somewhere. Too bad. If you have to go somewhere, go to DPS. That's what you need to be going. What is the issue with your driver's license? I'm guessing these other tickets, correct?
I believe so.
Okay, is this your only set of tickets or do you have tickets at any other court?
No, these are the only tickets
These are the only tickets.
that I'm aware of.
So hand over the keys because now we got to treat you like a little kid because you can't do it on your own.
I already texted her and told her.
Well, whoever comes, they can pick up the keys at the front because you ain't getting them back.
All right.
Next, a Pronald Poulin walks into Judge Garcia's courtroom like it's just another Tuesday. But the moment he casually admits to driving with a suspended license, the mood shifts. The judge locks in. Her voice cuts through the nonsense like ached scalpel, and before you know it, his keys are confiscated. Forget jail, she hits him with humiliation, and it works. A verbal smackdown dressed in authority and sarcasm.
So I just ran your name and when's the last time you had a driver's license?
I'm not too sure.
Like
to be honest
years?
with you. I believe so.
Okay, because I just ran your name.
I mean, when I got put over, he said that I could get my license back. I just need to pay a surcharge or something like that, but I'm not too sure how much all that is.
Okay, have you even picked up the phone that call?
I haven't, just on the 4th, I got pulled over, and no, I haven't called to see how much everything is.
Okay, and see, that's what gets me, Mr. Ronald, is you have time to do all this other stuff, but you don't have time to pick up the phone and call DPS to figure out because you have to drive that you don't pick up the phone to see where you're at to get to be able to drive legally. Because you know what the sad part is? You have absolutely nothing holding you back. Nothing. Your name is completely clear.
I mean, I got 9.
Judge Garcia isn't done. When Ronald tries the "I've got 9 kids" excuse, she delivers one of the coldest burns in court history. 10, if you count yourself. The crowd may be silent, but that line echoes. He hasn't even called DPS yet. He's already complaining about what it'll cost. Judge flips that logic on its head and court orders him to figure it out. This is accountability served cold and with style.
I mean, really, I don't have too much.
You had time to make kids, right?
What does that have?
Means you don't have time. You can't pick up 2 minutes to call to DPS. But your excuse is, I have 9 kids, so I should be able to
I
drive.
call DPS and it's too much for me to pay. It's not going to get paid.
But see, you're already trying to make a problem when you don't even know what you have to pay because by your own words, you have not picked up the phone. You have no idea what your fine amount is, but you're already complaining that you can't do it when you don't even know. That's all I hear is complaints. And you don't even know why you're complaining because you don't even know the amount. Right?
Right.
Okay. So let's start taking responsibility. Pick up the phone.
I'm looking at that.
You're going to because now I'm court ordering you to.
Okay.
And now you've got 90 days to figure it out.
Okay. to figure what out, how much it costs, or to get them back?
I don't know. You're gonna have to figure all that out, not me.
All right.
Just like everybody else here, they call DPS and they talk, ask them what they need to do, like adults, and figure it out.
I mean, so if I just don't want to drive no more, I don't have to get my license back, right?
No,
If I
but
don't
that's the
drive-
problem is, you're driving. You
All
drove
right,
over
but if
here.
if I don't drive no more, I don't have to get my license back, right?
No,
Okay.
but that's not what I'm asking you. Now I'm court ordering, you're gonna get it.
So you're ordering me to get my license.
Yep. Because you're obviously, I don't trust you that you're not gonna drive. You drove over here.
I just had the young lady before, she handed over her keys, and none of this. All right, you don't trust me not to drive.
And for your information, you don't compare yourself to anybody else because you don't know what her situation is with the girl before you. And you're sitting in front of me with five other violations. She wasn't.
Okay,
Okay, so don't compare yourself to
Okay.
anybody.
yes, ma'am.
So your next one here is from 2015 and it's for theft.
I don't even know what that one is or from.
Okay, so how do you plead guilty? No contest or not?
Yes.
Huh?
No contest.
Things go from comical to tense fast. Ronald mumbles under his breath during sentencing, and the judge shuts it down instantly. Say one more word and I'll slap some handcuffs on you. The warning isn't dramatic, it's earned. She puts him on probation, mandates a theft class, and makes it crystal clear. She's not here for attitude. One word too many. And he's on a one-way trip to jail.
All right, so for your theft, I'm gonna put you on 60 days probation. You're gonna have a $50 fine plus your court costs, 60 days to pay that, and you're gonna have to take a theft class. You do all of that, I will take into consideration your failure to appear. You don't, you walk out of here with convictions for theft. Excuse me? Excuse me?
Nothing.
I didn't think so.
I didn't think it.
You want to say one more word and I'll slap some handcuffs on you because I'm not in the mood for you today. You brought yourself here and don't get mad because we're telling you the truth. And your third case, no driver's license and fail to turn signal. How do you plead to those charges?
Contest.
All right, same thing. You bring me a license, I'll dismiss that one for $22. All right, turn signal, you're gonna be put on 60 days probation, a $50 fine plus your court costs, 60 days to pay that. No driver's license, you're gonna be reset for 90 days. You take care of both of those, I will dismiss your failure to appear. You do have Omni on all of these that you are gonna have to pay. You've got 60 days to comply with all of that. Besides your driver's license, you have 90 days for that. All right? Swing around here to the right.
Ronald's final charges are laid out. Judge Garcia keeps the pressure on. She resets his license case, puts him on probation for a turn signal, and slaps a deadline on everything. No more talk, no more excuses, just deadlines and consequences. And as the video wraps, we can only hope he straightens out for his kid's sake. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.